Hey, I'm Joey with NinjaTrader. In this video, we're going to look at one of the biggest differences between average traders and top traders. It's not a better indicator, it's not a new setup, it's mindset. Strategy absolutely matters, but your psyche determines whether or not you execute that strategy well. If you're searching for practical trading psychology tricks that may help improve consistency in your trading process, you don't need motivation, you need structure. Let's walk through 5 mindset principles professional traders use every day and how they apply directly to your own trading. First up, they commit to risk before entering a trade. Before a professional trader enters a position, one thing is already clear: there is risk involved. That applies to everyone trading futures. What separates top traders is that the risk is defined before the order is placed. They already know where the stop loss goes, how much they're risking in dollars, how the position size fits their account, and what their maximum daily loss is. There's no "I'll manage it as it moves." That's not confidence, that's improvisation. This is where emotional discipline in trading begins. When risk is defined upfront, fear and hesitation decrease dramatically because the uncertainty has already been addressed. It's important to define your risk first. Ask yourself, if this trade loses, am I completely okay with that amount? Will this loss change my behavior on the next trade? If your answer to the first question is no, or the second is yes, your size is too large. Position sizing and margin awareness are part of discipline. Clarity removes chaos. When you determine risk before you trade, you're no longer negotiating with the market mid-trade, you're simply executing your plan. Another defining trait of top traders is that they detach emotion from outcomes. They don't tie their identity to individual trades. A winning trade doesn't make them brilliant, and a losing trade doesn't make them incompetent. Their focus stays on process. Instead of asking whether they made money, they evaluate whether they followed their plan, whether their setup was valid, and whether they respected their stop. When you measure yourself by process rather than profit, you build discipline that compounds over time. Profits will fluctuate. Process is what stabilizes performance. Losing streaks are part of probability. They aren't emergencies. The difference is in the response. Professionals reduce size, review trades, and tighten criteria. They step back instead of pressing forward. They look for data, not reinsurance. If the rules were followed, they stay the course. If discipline slipped, they correct it. There's no revenge trading, no emotional doubling down, just structure. When your identity isn't tied to outcomes, emotions stop driving decisions, and clearer decisions lead to better execution. Professional traders also use mental rehearsal and trade visualization. It may sound abstract, but it's highly practical. Before the market opens, experienced traders mentally walk through scenarios. They consider what happens if volatility spikes, if a key level fails, or if the market chops sideways. By thinking through possible outcomes in advance, hesitation during the session is reduced. When volatility hits, it feels familiar because it's already been rehearsed. That familiarity lowers stress and supports better decision making. And if you can't visualize it, you can simulate it. Sim trading allows you to practice in real conditions without financial risk, reinforcing preparation in a controlled way. Markets move fast, prepared minds move faster. The more scenarios you've covered ahead of time, the less reactive you'll be when they unfold live. Preparation builds confidence, and confidence builds consistency. Another major shift is tracking behavior, not just results. Most traders obsess over profit and loss. Top traders analyze behavior. If you're looking to strengthen your trading process, start measuring what you can control. That includes whether you followed your rules, whether you hesitated on valid setups, whether you took impulsive trades, and whether you stuck to your risk plan. When you track behavior, you begin to see the trader you actually are, not the trader you assume you are. Journaling can transform that awareness. A trading journal turns emotion into data. Instead of labeling the day as good or bad, you can identify where discipline slipped, where execution improved, and where rules were not followed. Over time, patterns surface. You may notice hesitation after 2 losses, you may see overtrading during choppy sessions, you may discover your best trades consistently occur at a specific time of the day. That awareness creates the opportunity for adjustment because you can't correct what you don't measure. Platforms with advanced charting and performance tools like NinjaTrader can support that review process and help you connect your decisions to your results. Finally, professional traders think in probabilities, not certainties. They're not trying to be right on every trade, they're focused on executing an edge over time. They understand that not every setup works, that randomness is built into the market, and that positive expectancy plays out across a meaningful sample size. A single trade doesn't validate a strategy, and a single loss doesn't invalidate it. Even a small series of trades isn't enough to judge the system. Outcomes only make sense in context. When you accept that losses are part of the structure, you stop reacting emotionally to them. You stop trying to make it back. You stop predicting. Instead, you focus on repeating a defined process. Certainty is an illusion in trading. Probability is a framework. The faster you internalize that, the steadier your execution becomes. All of these mindset shifts point to one theme: structure beats emotion. When you define risk before entry, detach from individual outcomes, rehearse volatility, track your behavior, and think in probabilities, you move away from reactive decision-making and toward repeatable execution. That's how top traders operate. Not emotionally, not based on ego, but through systems, risk control, and consistency.